Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock fish pepper soup. First, gather all your ingredients and ensure your stock fish is properly cleaned and prepared. This delicious and comforting soup is perfect for any occasion, offering a rich, spicy flavor that's truly satisfying. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the fish to simmering the final dish, ensuring a perfect result every time. Let's start with the stock fish. Begin by soaking your dried stock fish in hot water for about 15 minutes to soften it. This makes it easier to handle. Next, carefully remove any bones or tough skin, then cut the fish into your preferred serving sizes. Finally, give the fish a thorough rinse with clean water to ensure it's ready for cooking. Now for the heart of the soup, the base. Blend your Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, and a piece of fresh ginger until smooth. In a pot, heat a small amount of palm oil, then add your blended pepper mixture. Sauté this until it's fragrant and the raw smell disappears. Then, pour in your fish stock or water, bringing it to a gentle simmer. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your prepared stock fish to the simmering base. Season generously with salt, a few seasoning cubes, and your favorite pepper soup spice blend. Let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is tender and the flavors have fully melded. Serve your delicious stock fish pepper soup hot, perhaps with a side of boiled yam or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.